Stop drinking more water to fix your dry skin. You might be making the problem worse by flushing out essential electrolytes. True cellular hydration isn't about volume. It is about the trace minerals that act as a velvet rope for your cells. If you are drinking 8 glasses a day but still feel tired and look dull, you are not thirsty. Your cells are literally starving. In this video, I am showing you how to hydrate at a cellular level to reclaim your youthful glow. Stay tuned, because your 28-day resilience protocol starts right now. This section focuses on the why and uses authority to challenge common beliefs. Many people believe that drinking a gallon of water daily is the ultimate health goal. However, recent studies in the Journal of Biological Chemistry suggest a different reality. Excessive plain water can actually flush out your most vital nutrients. This is what scientists call the dilution effect. Think of your body like a high-end battery. A battery needs electrolytes to conduct electricity and hold a charge. When you flood your system with dead or highly filtered water, you are washing away those electrolytes. Your cells lose their ability to hold on to moisture. This leads to intracellular dehydration. It is a state where you are literally drowning your system but starving your cells. According to research from the University of Arizona, even mild dehydration can cause brain fog and fatigue. But for those over 50, the signs are often seen in the mirror first. This cellular drought is why your skin loses its natural bounce. It is why topical moisturizers often feel like they are just sitting on the surface. They cannot fix a deficit that starts deep within the dermis. Look for subtle signs like a dull skin texture or that chronic 3 p.m. energy crash. These aren't just signs of aging. They are SOS signals from your cells. Before we dive into how to lock that moisture back in, take a moment to join our community. If you want to master your health and reclaim your vitality, hit that subscribe button for Vital 50+. Now, let's look at the science of biological radiance. To understand how to fix this, we must look at the architecture of the glow. Your cells are not just passive balloons. They are sophisticated gatekeepers. According to the National Institutes of Health, magnesium is the master key for over 300 biochemical reactions. One of its most vital roles is managing the sodium-potassium pump. This pump is what pulls water into your cells and keeps it there. Without enough magnesium, the door to your cells stays locked. Water stays outside the cell, leading to swelling and puffiness instead of hydration. This is why trace minerals are essential for osmotic pressure. They act like a velvet rope, guiding moisture into the deep dermis layers. When your cells are properly locked with minerals, they support the production of collagen and elastin. This is the true secret to that firm, lit from within radiance. But why are we so deficient in these minerals today? The answer lies in modern mineral thieves. Data from the World Health Organization suggests that our soil is significantly more depleted than it was 50 years ago. This means the vegetables you eat today often lack the magnesium and potassium they once had. Furthermore, our modern water filtration systems are almost too good. While they remove toxins, they also strip away the bioactive minerals your body recognizes. Even your lifestyle plays a role. High-stress environments and constant blue light exposure from screens can drain your magnesium reserves. We are living in a world that is designed to dehydrate us at a cellular level. It is time to move from the problem to the bioavailable blueprint for recovery. True hydration is not about the volume of water. It is about the bioactivity of the water. You must choose minerals that your body can actually recognize and use. Many synthetic sports drinks are loaded with sugar and artificial dyes that do more harm than good. Instead, look for high-absorption mineral drops, or fulvic acid complexes. Fulvic acid is a natural compound that helps transport minerals directly through the cell wall. Timing is also critical for maximum absorption. Try taking your mineral-rich water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This gives your system an immediate systemic lift after a night of repair. You can even make a DIY hydration elixir right in your kitchen. Mix a pinch of high-quality sea salt, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and a few drops of liquid magnesium. This simple mix creates a bioactive solution that mimics your body's own fluids. Now, let's start your 28-day resilience protocol. This is the time frame your skin cells take to turn over and show new growth. Track your progress by checking your skin elasticity and your morning mental clarity. Integrate mineral-rich whole foods like microgreens, seaweed, and deep-sea herbal ingredients. These superfoods provide the trace elements that modern soil often lacks. By establishing this sustainable rhythm, You aren't just drinking water. You are feeding your cells. You are building a foundation for a permanent, youthful glow that comes from the inside out. Your journey to cellular vitality starts with that very next sip. Thank you for watching this guide, Cellular Hydration, on Vito 50+. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your internal mineral balance. Stop drowning your system and start nourishing your cells. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a glow up. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite hydration tip. Stay hydrated, stay vibrant, and I will see you in the next video.